video today, we're going to cover the effleurage technique. So for this, I'm going to be using grapeseed oil purely because it's non-allergenic, so it's going to work perfectly on his skin. The effleurage technique itself it's used for multiple kind of purposes. The main one I'm going to be using it for now is to initially warm the area up. So not only is it a technique that we use to warm the area, but it's also good for flushing. So what I mean by that is we're going to work with the lymphatic system to push towards the nearest set of lymph nodes. So to start off with the technique, I'm just going to warm my hands up slightly. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to effleurage his back. And what you'll notice I'm doing is I'm going to be effleuraging up towards the armpits. The reason being is that's where our nearest set of lymph nodes are. So to give you a bit of an idea, we're going to start off low, we're pushing up, and you'll notice I'm effleuraging just out to the sides. The technique itself doesn't really have a set time for how long you're going to perform it. You're just going to go until basically you're happy with the area itself. So for me, two indications. I would be looking for either redness in the skin or until I can actually feel the warmth through my hand. Either one of those would tell you that that area is now prepared to move on to another technique. So you'll notice I'm doing two-handed at the moment. You can also mix it up if you wanted to just say work on one side. Use both hands. And again, just working on that one side of the back. And again, if you're working on a different area of the body, all you're going to be doing is working towards those nearest lymph nodes. And that is your effleurage technique.